Guys, it is so hot. It's so hot. I keep wearing a bathing suit under my clothes, and then like depending on where I am, like it's all right. There's no kids or families here at the playground right now, so it's fine. It's totally fine because like the water's right here. Pass by the pool. There's a body of water right here. But yeah. I was thinking about walking over there. Sometimes I just lay on this table. I know it's like a picnic table, but I'll put like my shirts down, my towel down, whatever, and I'll just lay out right here because the sun's like reflecting right there. So it's like sometimes, and then I realize like I'm laying myself out on a picnic table, but I do it when like no one's around, so it doesn't make me feel as weird, but I'm sure people drive by or walk by. But at that point, I can't help you. Can't do anything about that. I've already done it. So, yeah. Here's the lake. They redid the basketball and the tennis ball court thing here. I don't know why, but they just did. And yeah, it's just like, I'm sweating up a storm here. So this is why when I say, what do I do for exercise? I just literally will go on a walk, because even when you're not walking fast, it's easy to just start sweating around here. So yeah, check out all the dips and people say Florida's flat. You know, it's not flat around here where I am, but this is a very particular area in Florida. They say a lot of European people come here for whatever reason over the years. So I guess it's a spot for, like I said, seniors, families, Europeans, and I guess more. But here we are. See, look at all the dips and the hills. Yeah, just walking all the way over. Oh, it's like really clear right now on that side. Sometimes it's super dark and dingy, like on those first two, it's always really dark part of the lake. And then for whatever reason right now, it's super see-through on the top, like on this right side. Wow, I sound like way too observant, right? It's just all the times I've walked over here, I guess. There was a time my son was like super obsessed with walking over here. He wanted to do it every day. And I was like, and we had to stop. That was the other year. Because like we were hanging out in the sand. And we had like little, towels and stuff to sit on. But I don't know if it was sand fleas or what, but they were crawling, and of course everything's attracted to me. I don't mean to sound like in a weird way, but it just, oh my god, look at all the tadpoles. Can you guys see the water? See how it's like really, you can see through it really well right now? Yeah, usually it's really dark, so I'm gonna enjoy it. And yeah, just showing you a day in the life when I'm being quiet, listening to my music, talking to myself. But now I'm talking to you guys, so thanks for joining me. It makes me feel less alone, so appreciate that.